Avacoin has just been launched. If you're among those who mine this airdrop, congrats to you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to claim your Avacoin and transfer your coin balance from the Avacoin bot to your Tonkeeper wallet. So after opening the bot, you'll see this claim button. To proceed, click on this go to token table, and this will direct you to their claim bot, where you also need to connect your wallet. Alright, so once the page opens, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet, and you need to connect the same wallet you connected to your Avacoin bot. So to get started, click on this connect wallet button right here. Okay, so after clicking on it, you'll see an overlay to select the wallet you chose. Okay, so for me, I use Tonkeeper, so I'm going to select my Tonkeeper wallet. Just a reminder, this should be the same wallet you connected your Avacoin bot to. Alright, so after that, you'll be directed to Tonkeeper to connect your wallet to the claiming bot. So to proceed, click on this connect wallet button right here. Okay, so I'll put in my fingerprint and wait for this transaction to complete. So after that is complete, you can verify that it's connected by clicking on this browser tab and clicking on the connected apps. There you see all your connected apps. So you can see this ETH sign below indicating we've connected it. Okay, so after connecting it, you see the total airdrop you received. For me, I got about 2,700, and to claim it, you can just click on this claim now button. Okay, so after clicking on this button, you will be required to authorize the transaction. Like I usually mention, it's good to have some coin on your app, on your Tonkeeper app for gas fee. So for this transaction, you see the gas fee that will be charged for this transaction. So once it opens, as you can see, I'll be charged 0.19 ton. To proceed, simply slide on this arrow icon to confirm. So you slide it from the left to the right. Okay, so I'll also put in my fingerprints to authorize the transaction, and we'll wait for this to confirm. Okay, it's done here. I'll return back to the Avacoin claim bot, so I'll wait for it to confirm the transaction. This could take a while, so I'll probably pause this video and pick it up once it's completed. Okay, like I usually mention, Toncoin is required to claim most of these airdrops for mining. So you need to have some Toncoin before it will work for you. If not, you will see insufficient balance. Alright, so if you don't know how to fund your Tonkeeper app, I'll put a link in the description section of this video to access my video explaining how to do that. So that should help you. And if that's too complicated, I'm currently working on a simpler version, which should be uploaded soonest, later today or tomorrow. So as you can see, the claim request has been successfully submitted. This shows that my withdrawal request has been confirmed. So I can just click on this done close button to close this window. Okay, so this would likely take some time before it will complete. So you can just sit back and wait for it to reflect on your Tonkeeper app. Okay, so as you can see, I refreshed my app and it's showing that I've claimed 2,751 Avacoin. Alright, so I'll head over to my Tonkeeper app to confirm this transaction. So I'll refresh to see if it's okay. As you can see, Avacoin has been added, 2,751 Avacoin has been added to my balance. If yours doesn't show, just be patient as the transaction could take some time to complete. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually trade this coin and convert it to USDT. So be sure to subscribe if you've not done so, and share this video with your friends who also mine the coin. Thanks, and catch you in the next one.